How to update your billing address on Sage credit card account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also looking to update your billing address on Sage credit card account, here's what you need to do. So most of the website or app, the steps will vary from bank to bank, but you should also be required to sign in. So make sure to sign in or log into your respective account. And first thing what you can do is just call the number on the back of your credit card, as you can reach a customer support representative and request a change to your billing address. Or you can also actually submit an address change by mail. Your monthly billing statement may have instructions to change your address by mail. And similarly, other thing what you can also do is visit a branch, as a representative can update your credit card billing address right away when you visit a branch. So if you're using an application for some reason, then you can just head over to the profile icon and choose the personal details in the settings and select the information you want to change, and simply follow the on-screen instructions or prompts from over there. And once you do all of that, they will send a confirmation to the email address they have on the file, and they will make your updates in real time, as they may not happen right away. So at least you should give them 24 hours for your change to allow. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.